I'm Dave from Hamilton Motor Company. We're here with the 2007 to 2008 Lexus GS. This car is a car with factory navigation, as you can see here. I'm going to show you how to pair and set up wireless CarPlay with the Hamilton upgrade kit, which we have just installed. So let's go ahead and touch menu, and then we can long hold the voice speech button on the steering wheel to switch into the Hamilton interface. When you're in the menu setting, long holding the voice speech button on the Hamilton steering wheel is how you switch between the factory system and the Hamilton system. This can only be done from the menu page. In the Hamilton system, we'll go ahead and pull out now your iPhone, open up settings. We'll come here and we'll go to Bluetooth, allow new connections, and scroll down to the bottom. And you'll be looking for a connection called Hamilton. It'll have 4 additional characters after it. And we'll wait until that appears. Here it is. Let's go ahead and touch it. And then a few seconds later, a pairing code will appear on the phone. We're going to click pair. We're going to click allow to contacts and favorites. And now wait about 20 seconds for CarPlay to appear on the screen. CarPlay has now been set up. But we're not done quite yet. I need to show you next how to set up the audio. This is super important that you pay attention carefully now. Once again, we can long hold that voice speech button to switch between the factory system and the Hamilton system. If you click a button like climate, your factory climate will pop up, but you can't return to the Hamilton system until you touch that menu. You'll see that touching climate or audio or info, these are all appearing over the CarPlay, and touching menu brings you back to that CarPlay. If you want to switch back into the factory system, you can long hold the voice speech button, and we're now back fully in the factory system. To come back to CarPlay, we need to be in menu, and then you can long hold that voice speech button and come back to CarPlay. To set up the audio, touch audio, and make sure that the mode is set to aux mode. Triggering the mode button on the steering wheel will be how you change audio modes. You want to be in aux mode. With the car in aux mode, we can now touch menu, long hold the voice speech button. We're in CarPlay and we're ready to use it to play audio and to enjoy beautiful wireless CarPlay. As a final note, these are older screens and there are limitations. The swiping capability will not be as nice as a new screen. As well, if your factory head unit is faulty, the Hamilton system will not fix it. You need to have a fully functioning factory head unit. Overall, this is a great and effective way to add CarPlay to an older radio, noting the limitations of this old radio.